So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing basically alternative careers for doctors which involve artificial intelligence and machine learning. In the past year, I basically have done a master's in artificial intelligence and machine learning and computer science, which basically involved the study of applications of AI such as neural networks, convolutional neural networks, deep learning, and various algorithms that are used in machine learning techniques. When it comes to the study of, for example, IT and the postgraduate study of IT, there are a variety of opportunities. Doctors are well trained in science and therefore picking up new skills such as IT skills is not such a big problem. There are a variety of resources online. One can check out resources, for example, Free Code Camp or Code Academy, where you can learn Python and also data science. Me personally, I did the masters, however, most of the studying was done by myself in my own time and done with my own background research. Therefore, I researched most of the stuff myself and I ended up taking a variety of courses. The most interesting courses and the most useful courses I found when it comes to data science and machine learning or AI was basically Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp offers a course in machine learning and data science, and the advantage of Free Code Camp is basically that it's free. Therefore, anyone can go on the website, basically access the lessons online and get a good understanding or a good grasp of what actually is machine learning and data science. Now, when it comes to us talking about machine learning and data science and AI seem to be these really big topics that everyone sort of is talking about. However, the basic knowledge out there is not that well understood. Therefore, what exactly is AI and what exactly is machine learning? Artificial intelligence is the way basically that computers help to look at data or help to learn from the data they have in order to emulate a human thinking system or a human way of interpreting stuff. Therefore, if you have a dataset and you want to learn a pattern from the dataset, for example, you can use artificial intelligence or machine learning in healthcare looking at, for example, breast cancer datasets or other datasets, epidemiological data that is freely available online in order to predict an outcome or in order to predict a particular diagnosis. The use of certain algorithms in machine learning, which is a subgroup of artificial intelligence, and it's not directly linked as part of AI, but it is a subgroup of artificial intelligence, basically machine learning using supervised or unsupervised learning techniques. It can learn from the dataset that you feed into the particular computer system, and through a variety of machine learning algorithms, such as, for example, a ReLU or a sigmoid algorithm, you can learn from the data. Particular courses which can be taken online to get a better grasp of what machine learning is basically a course on Coursera that I took myself, and it basically covers most of the machine learning theory, the explanation of what exactly is ANN, and the various types of machine learning algorithms that can be applied to a dataset. Now, if you do also a quick research online or on Google, there are, again, as I said before, a variety of resources. One resource that I used a lot in my masters was that of basically Wikipedia. Wikipedia, although might not be the best resource that you can get online, however, it gives a good explanation of what an ANN is, what a convolutional neural network is, and what, for example, is deep learning or artificial intelligence. You can get a good understanding of the concepts and then from there move on to more specific resources. There are a variety of blogs online which deal with data science. One of the most common blogs I used to use to study about variety of machine learning techniques is, for example, Medium. Medium is a blog where people go on to the site and write about a variety of topics. On this site, on this blog, you can find a variety of topics ranging from machine learning, artificial intelligence, convolutional neural networks, what they are and how to use them in order, for example, to target a particular dataset. I used Medium, for example, in order to come up with a solution for a convolutional neural network, and it helped me go through the variety of steps needed in order, for example, to go from an image and to eventually go to the final product. Now, of course, this is one area where doctors can go on in order to study post foundation program or after finishing medical school. However, this is not only the only branch where doctors like myself can actually get into, as there are a variety of other branches that one can also explore. For example, coding, web development, web design, UX design, and a variety of other skills you can learn and do with coding itself. For example, I studied, apart from machine learning and artificial intelligence, apart from that I studied PHP, HTML and CSS. These are basically the basis of coding languages, and if you add JavaScript to that, you can do most of the jobs out there, because most of the jobs out there, if you do a quick Google search about jobs, require the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some MySQL or some database knowledge, and a backend language, for example, like PHP, Node.js, etc., that you can apply to your CV and eventually try to apply for a job. Again, when it comes to coding, there are a variety of resources online. I think that using paid resources at the beginning might not be the best option, and the best option, for example, is to use free resources such as YouTube itself, such as Free Codecamp, and also resources like, for example, W3 schools or W3 coding tutorials, which are free and which teach you a variety of coding languages like Python, like CSS, like HTML, PHP, JavaScript, etc., etc. I hope this video was interesting, guys. Again, there are a variety of career options out there apart from medicine. Therefore, if you guys don't feel that you should go down the clinical route, there are a variety of options, and it's not that difficult to study and to learn new skills like coding. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you. See you next time.